Konyi kumugavana ase county ya Uasin Gishu John Barorot nigo abaka Goetigia Emerermo. Barorot nigo ateba ngonyorire emirimo meao isiko yense ya Kenya ase oguchia kwababuna umonene gosomusio gwamangana ICT gosamangana teknolojia. Nigo Barorot ya abereka gotogia obokoreri obuya na enchira babwaterenete muno mugavana bwe county yo ya Uasin Gishu yomenyekana Jonathan B eliokane kebuno bokoreri obwabeire bogoikera norgoti urwo unarogocha.
I would like to extend our deepest appreciation to the great people of Uasin Gishu for their continued support and dedication, more so during the historic elevation of Eldoret. We announced the exit of our Deputy Governor, Engineer John Barorot, who has a secured position as the Chief Executive Officer of an international organization in ICT sector. His last day of work will be on August 31st, 2024. While it was our wish to continue working and tapping into Engineer Barorot's wealth of knowledge and experience, his decision to pursue interests outside political environment and public service deserves all the respect and appreciation. We sincerely wish to thank Engineer Barorot for his sterling performance, dedication, and commitment over the past 2 years. His contributions have been, without doubt, been immeasurable in advancing development and prosperity of our county. With the position falling vacant from September 1st, 2024, I will nominate a replacement within, actually, as soon as we are done. It will not take long. The new Deputy Governor nominee will be transmitted to the County Assembly for vetting and approval for appointment. I wish to assure the people of Uasin Gishu that the County Government of Uasin Gishu remains on track in achieving the development agenda that I promised the people when we were elected. As a gentleman, God bless our county.